Hey, good morning, 8th graders. This is going out to those of you that have specifically signed up for the live Google Meet with Senator Thune tomorrow. The last couple days, I've posted a sheet in Classroom that listed those of you that are going to be in the meet and some directions for you. Well, I have updated that as I have gotten the questions coming in from all of you from our assignment from yesterday. So you may want to check this out carefully. I will attach it in this email as well. But again, all of your names should be right down here. These are the people that signed up for the live Google Meet. And as you've noticed, I've kind of color-coded our questions into categories. So this first round will be like a rapid fire kind of, we call them softball questions, where we'll just give them an easy question to answer, kind of fun information to learn about him. It will kind of just be rapid fire. So just be ready to go one right after another. I might have your question written out on a card so that you, in case you get nervous, you have it right in front of you. Then the green section are those specifically about COVID-19, and we'll go into those. And these I'll probably just call on you because I'm not sure what he might talk about in his introduction. He might hit some of this stuff and we don't need to ask him again. So once we get done with the rapid fire questions, I'll just say, Emily has a question about the economy. Emily, could you ask it? And then I'll continue to do that for that section and kind of cross them off because he might hit other questions as he's talking about them. So if I don't call on you, don't feel bad. It probably just means he already hit your question. Then the last one are just about being a senator in general. Again, I will call on you and say, Henry has a question for you. And then Henry can do his question. What I tried to do is kind of categorize the questions that came in from students into groups. So you might not exactly have the question that you asked because it was lumped with another question. I just wanted to kind of cover everybody's question in one way or another. So be ready with your question. Let's talk about the meet itself. We're going to run it just like we did the prayer groups. So you'll go to meet.google.com and join with a nickname. The nickname for our meet is Senator Thune. If something's happening, you're having trouble, give me a text. I'll have my phone right there and hopefully we can problem solve it. Okay? So you're going to get on the live meet just like you did with the prayer groups. Here's some hints for you. Start joining at least by 10:10. He's going to hop on at 10:15. It'd be nice if we kind of were ready to go when he hopped on. I will have it open. I think I'm going to go to school and record from school. Just make sure I know I have a quiet environment. Find a quiet spot in your house, maybe in your room with the door shut, something so that we're not getting a lot of background noise or distractions from maybe people in your house. So try to find somewhere fairly quiet. And again, change it to grid view. We're going to have probably up to 25 people in this meet. So go up to that upper right-hand corner and click on the square with all the rows and columns so that you can see everybody's face. Okay. I have some instructions for those of the kids that aren't going to be in the Google Meet, but that is not you. Here is the good news. You will not have to respond. You are doing your assignment by just being in the meet. So once you leave the meet on Friday, you are done with me, for me. And remember, Grandparents' Day is on Monday, so you'll have no assignment on Monday. So I won't see you again until Tuesday. So anyway, hopefully this is clear to you what your question is, how to get on the meet, and some hints for the meet. But if you have any further questions, contact me. All my stuff is in our to-do list, like always. Email, text, call, or hop on my Google Meet today from 1 to 3, nickname W. Patma. I'm excited for tomorrow, guys. I am so thankful for you that you signed up to help. I'm so thankful that Senator Thune chose us. It's exciting. What a privilege that we have to spend a few minutes with him. So I will see you tomorrow about 10:05, 10:10, ready to go. Thanks, 8th graders. Have a fantastic day. I am so proud of you.